Hi guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we want to take a step further by dealing with this aspect of mathematics that usually gives students a headache. That is, removing of a bracket, and thereafter you simplify the given expression. Remember, expression is quite different from equation. Expression is different from equation. If I write a plus b plus c plus d plus 2a plus, I continue to write like that. This is an expression. This is an expression because the sign of equality is missing. Because sign of equality is missing, it is an expression. But the moment I write a plus b plus c is equal to 0, this is an equation. Why? It has sign of equality. This sign of equality is now making this one to become an equation. But this man, despite the fact that it's longer than this, it is an expression because we never equated it with anything. So now something they said we should remove the bracket. Of course, this is the bracket, and thereafter we should simplify the given expression. So we want to do that. Now, if I have, let's start with the first one. And what does it say? 12x minus 2 bracket 4x minus plus 5 close the bracket. Another note of warning I want to sound. When you're having two things, look at this sign. This is sign of subtraction. And here you're having a number in front of the bracket. Here, you may not see it, but it is there. It is an imaginary times. That is, this is a multiplication sign. Now, if you don't want to get yourself into trouble, first of all, forget about this. Deal with the multiplication sign. Remember, even in the order of operation, we have multiplication coming before subtraction. Deal with this first. You open the bracket. After opening the bracket, if you have like terms, collect them. If there are no like terms, then you leave it like that. That is the final answer. Let us now go. I said, leave this man alone. That is 12x. Because this minus is telling you that this man is not part of us until we finish with our problem, before we now bring this man into the picture. Now, forget about this man. Leave this man alone. Let's deal with our issue. Enemy of my friend is my enemy. 2 times 4, 8. What does he have? X. Again, remember, how many things do you have inside? We have 2. This is 1, this is 2. We still go back. Because this man that is outside the compound belongs to everything inside the compound. I have used this one to multiply this. If I just leave it like that and I just write 5, that is impartiality. You have to treat everybody equally. So, 2 times 4, 8, x. Again, I go again. Minus. Enemy of my friend is my enemy. 2 times 5, that is 10. Thereafter, this man can now come in because we have solved our own problem. We have succeeded in removing the bracket. Well, let's go, class. This one, if you see them writing anything like this, it means there is a plus sign there. But in mathematics, most of the time we don't usually write it. That is, especially when we start the expression or the equation. So now, this one means I am having, because this is plus, I am having how much? I'm having 12 naira. How much am I owing? I'm owing somebody 8 naira. Can I pay that 8 naira? Yes. If I pay that 8 naira, will I be owing or I will be having? Of course I will be having, because the amount I'm having is more than the amount I'm owing. So this one is going to be plus. How much will be left with me? That is 4x. And this man, because this one does not contain x, don't relate it with this gentleman. No. This one does not have x. Just bring it down, minus 10. My students, this one does not have x. This one has what? It has x. Therefore, you cannot add them together. This is your final answer. Is that understood? Very good. Let's see the second one. If this one is understood, then the second one too should not be a problem. Now let's open the bracket. Now we have 7 open bracket, a minus b minus 8 open bracket, a minus 2b, close the bracket. Class, as we did the other time, this man is, we brought this man out from this house. He's standing in front of the house. Let's return him back inside the house. Plus times plus, that is plus. 7 times a, 7a. Remember, that 7 belongs to 2 of them. You come back. Plus times minus, minus. 7 times b, 7b. We are through. But the bracket, bye-bye. It has gone. Let's go to the next one. Minus times, you know this minus belongs to this one. Minus times plus, minus. A times a, 8a. I go again. Minus times minus, that is plus. 8 times 2, that is 16b. Very beautiful, class. The brackets, they have gone. Then let us now see whether we can see the way we are going to find our families. I mean the like terms. You can now see 7a. This one is minus 8a. I'm rearranging. This one is going to be minus 7b plus 16b. Class, look at this man, A and A. This one, what is that? Is I'm having 7 naira. How much am I owing? I'm owing 8 naira. Can I pay all the amount I'm owing? No. I can only pay part of it. So it will now be, I will be left with what? It means I am owing 1 naira. That is 1a. Because the letter is A. So it's going to be minus A. Well, let's see this one. I am owing 7b. But I'm having 16b. Class, can I pay? Yes, I can pay it. So if I pay 7 out of what's it called? My 16b that I'm having in my pocket, how much do I have? I have 9 naira left. Plus 9b. So you can now see A and B cannot be added together. Letter A and letter B, they can never be added together. Class, if you are enjoying this topic, do subscribe to this channel and like the video. Thank you.